Hello YouTube and welcome to this new video. So last week, the Redmi Watch has been announced alongside the new Redmi Note 9 series of smartphones as the first smartwatch from Xiaomi's Redmi brand. And in today's video, we'll be unboxing this smartwatch. But before we get started, please like the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. So the smartwatch comes in this black box, and in the box we found the watch, of course, the charger and the user's guide. The design is so simple. The watch has a 2.3-inch LCD screen and a little button on the right side. On the bottom we have the heart rate sensor, the charging pins and the little Redmi logo. Back to the screen now. As you can see, the screen lights up when you turn it to your face, as if there is a sensor that detects that, but there is not. The screen may look a little bit big, but it still looks beautiful. Moving to the watch functionalities now, as you can see, we can customize the clock's look using the app linked to your phone, as there are many available clock designs in the market, and they're all for free. When you swipe down, you can browse the notifications coming from your phone, but they cannot be opened. And if you have lots of notifications, they won't be all displayed, unfortunately. Emojis cannot be displayed neither. You can also pick up the incoming calls, but the calls can only be answered on your phone. Swiping up the screen shows you the functionalities of the watch, like the flashlight, the Do Not Disturb mode, and many others. For example, you can set the brightness level, and of course, you can choose the automatic brightness. As you can see here, you can set a password for your watch, and here you can see the pedometer and some other things. You can swipe right and left to browse other functionalities like music player, the weather, the sleep monitor and the heart rate measurements. And as you can see here, you can track all of your activities on your phone. Pressing the side button shows the menu of the functionalities and apps of your watch. For example, choosing the clock app, you can set a timer, and when you hold press the side button, you will start the Xiaomi assistant. Alongside of the Android phones, the watch can be paired with iPhones so easily, not like many other smartwatches and smart bands. Coming to the battery now, the Redmi Watch comes with a 230 mAh battery that can last for up to 7 days of normal use. So overall, the Redmi smartwatch is a very good deal for anyone who wants to buy a smartwatch with a low budget, as it is being sold for only around $45. It has a good design and lots of functionalities that can help you with your daily life. That's why I would buy it rather than a smart band. In the end, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. In the meantime, stay safe and see you soon in another video. Goodbye.